Hi everyone and welcome back to day 2 of the Interrail vlogs. Myself and my friend Hannah are just heading to Marienplatz to do a free walking tour which is of the old town here in Munich. So we've just got some fruit for breakfast and we're heading there now. We better rush, otherwise we might be a bit late, so I'll see you there.
Gather around, come on over, hello. Of the city, because everybody always comes to this place and takes a really nice selfie with this massive structure right here, a building known as the New Town Hall.
So we are now on the free walking tour here in Munich and it's a fantastic free activity to do here in the city. I'm a big fan of free walking tours. I've done many around the world, so I'd highly recommend if you're looking for free activities to do here in Munich, definitely check out this particular free walking tour. I'll leave a link in the description so you can book it and find it. Yeah, it's fantastic. We've just started it. So we've been to Marienplatz, I believe, is how to pronounce it at the start, which is basically the old town hall. And now we're basically walking around. We're just about to reach some markets and yeah, continue our tour, but so far so good.
What they decided to do as a solution to this was just by keeping the concrete but painting the exterior as if they
So I'm currently in Germany's most famous beer hall and it is located here in the heart of Munich. This is where I was last night to drink a beer and have some veal sausages and potato dumplings as well. But yeah, we're here on the free walking tour as well and he's just going to tell us some more information about it in a little bit, so I will film that all so you can find out about this amazing beer hall.
This is a very cool place. I'm actually curious, before I tell you what I think of it, has anybody already been inside and had a beer? This is like, oh god, I'm just like, yeah. But it's still, do you remember any of it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. No.
Okay, so I think we are coming towards the end of the tour, but as you can see the statue behind me just there, this guy actually invented Oktoberfest, which is a very famous 2.5-week long beer festival that takes place every year from around the 15th of September into the first week of October. And that guy, as you saw the statue behind me, he actually started the very famous event. So yeah, unfortunately we're not actually in Munich at the time of Oktoberfest, but yeah, I'm hoping one day I can come back and yeah, experience what a German experience of Oktoberfest is like. So today the weather is actually pretty miserable. I don't know if you can sort of see behind me. It's very, cloudy, grey skies. It's raining, and yesterday it was gorgeous sunshine. It was freezing cold yesterday, but it was still glorious sunshine, and I actually burned a little bit. You might see my nose a little bit red this morning, but yeah, it's not amazing weather today. But for all the destinations we're going to for the rest of the 3 weeks, it's looking like the weather's going to be really, really nice, like in the 20s, like low 20s degrees and sunshine. So yeah, looking forward to that, but definitely does not detract away from how beautiful a city Munich really is. And yeah, I'm excited to go and grab some lunch in a little bit. And of course, I'll show you what I get for lunch. So I have ordered the crispy potato pancake with sauerkraut and, which beer was it? Oh, that's not the beer menu. Anyway, the beer. Okay, so we've just had lunch. What would you say out of 10?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. You had the sausages from yesterday, the veal sausages and a pretzel. I had like potato pancakes. I had sauerkraut, and we both had a beer, a 0.5 litre. And we are now walking around the local farmers market to find some souvenirs. It is still raining, as you can see, but yeah, we've had a lovely dinner. It's not too cold, it's a little bit warmer than earlier. It was freezing on the tour, but yeah, we're just walking around, gonna try to find some souvenirs, and yeah, continue exploring the beautiful city that Munich is. So we are now just in a cafe that's 5 minutes from our hostel, and I have got a delicious carrot cake, and Hannah has got a delicious looking brownie as well. So we're just going to chill here for probably like half an hour and then head back to the hostel. Okay, so we are now just heading back to our hostel. It's around 5:30, 6 o'clock. So I'm going to finish the video here, as we're going to have a pretty boring evening. Just going to go grab some food a bit later on. I'm going to get a bit of work done and start editing these Interrail vlogs. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new, and press that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video, and I'll see you in the next video.